can you just please ignore my hair, because I just like, well, I just want to make my hair have some volume, but then it end up like this. Hello everyone, it's Willy. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing good. So today's video, of course, I'm going to follow these lovely comments. First of all, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for spending your time and leave the comments in my video. And yes, today's video is going to be get to know me, introduce myself to you. It's just like a little bit about me, and I did some activity in my Instagrams as well, where you can ask me, and I picked a few questions and put it in here, because if I answer all of the questions, it's going to be like a long video. I just don't want to make it that long. And of course, today's video also, I'm going to test in these ROXXSAURUS. It's Heartbreaker. I really like these palettes, but I'm going to give my personal opinion about these palettes as well. And yes, I know that I talk too much, so let's jump right to the video. I like to start with my eye first as always, and today I'm going to use MAC pen pots. And if I start to look down, and that's because I've got a notebook with me, I write every questions that you guys ask me in my Instagram. So if you didn't follow me in Instagram, it's just rinsereview.really. Come and check it out, come and say hello. I would love to see all of you. So for the first questions, it's from my beloved friend Roman. I think she knows everything about me, but she loves to join activity in Instagram, and I think it's a really good question that she asked, like where are you from? I'm from Thailand. I'm Thai, as you can see, and I live in Bangkok, which is capital city of Thailand, as you already know for sure. Yes, I still live with my parents. Oh, I put it too high. I still live with my parents. Do I have a plan to move out to stay somewhere? Of course, yes, but I'm trying to figure out where I would like to stay, and to move out and stay on your own, it's use a lot of money. That's the reason why I still stay with my parents and trying to save money as much as I can. I know it sounds a little bit selfish, but I just would like to make sure that everything alright before I move out. Again, while I let eyeshadow primer set, I'm going to curl my lashes using eyeshadow. And for the next questions from my friend, she asked me, do you have any pet? Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Nala. She's lovely. She's about 2.5 years. I got her from a rescue place in Thailand. I'm not sure about her breed, but she's lovely and so kind. Now I'm going to use, it's just a eyeliner pencil in my waterline. Not completely done, like one side of my eye, so I'm going to use this palette from ROXXSAURUS. This one is Heartbreaker. So I really like this one because it's quite friendly to travel. You've got a different shade, 4 shades for matte shade, and then 5 shades for a shimmer. If I forget to mention any products, don't worry, I'm going to give it into the description box. So for the next questions from GMAT, for the first questions, I'm sorry if I pronounce your names long. I am not very good with that. I might ruin his name. So how old are you? I am 26. I'm going to turn to 27 on March. I'm so sad. I start getting old now. I started using these shade first, which is matte, kind of like red shade. I really like it. It's quite pigmented. I'm going to do like a spotlight eye look. And the other questions from this account is, did you live in the UK? Why and how long? Okay, let me answer the first questions first. Oh, by the way, I just put like in the outer corner and inner corner of my eyes. Do two things for this video, is quite messy up. Did I live in the UK? Yes, I did live in the UK, but obviously I didn't now. I moved back to my home country, which is Thailand. And yes, I did live in the UK, but not live, it's just like visit there. And he asked me why and how long. I visit my boyfriend, and that's the reason why. And as you already know, I just have a travel visa. I can't stay there, I can't work there. And how long? When I go there, it's not that often. I mean, it's quite often, but I can't be there long because I have to work as well. So it could be, it's just like a few weeks and then come back. And that's the reason why and how long. For the next questions, what is about this channel? This is one of my friends gave me some idea. She doesn't join into this activity. Oh, by the way, I'm going to use I think Maybelline Fit Me concealer to just do a cut crease. All of my channel is about tasting affordable beauty products, as you already know, from Drugstore. I wish I could be in the UK now because I really love makeup liberation, but sadly they do ship to Thailand, but again, for the shipping thing it's quite expensive and it's take like maybe at least 2 weeks, which is I don't like to wait. But in the UK they've got a really good, you know, really good makeup, affordable makeup, everything so good. Even at skincare they're still really good. And yes, that is all about my channel. My channel is about testing beauty things and create a makeup look. I'm not an artist, I mean I'm not that expert, but I think because I love makeup and I think I can do it. I might have some trick and tips. Why this one is so difficult. I might have some tips for you to make your, you know, makeup easier, and that's the reason why. Do you wear makeup every day? The answer is yes, of course. I did wear makeup every day. I'm going to use this shade, but not like full makeup. Wow, this is so good. Not like full makeup or glam makeup every day. I just like I did my everyday makeup where I didn't use much foundation on my face. I just do some eyeshadow, my eyebrows, lipstick, and then go. So I'm going back to the shade again to just blend everything in, and then maybe these a bit to blend everything together. So I'm going to finish the rest of my eye and eyebrow off camera, and I just used the same product from Maybelline Hyper for eyeliner. And these two mascara, as you already know, it's from Revlon Ultimate All-in-One, and this one is L'Oreal. This one is always hard. L'Oreal a Volume Large Paradise. And then for my eyebrow, I'm going to use Anastasia and collection incrediBROW Tinted Brown. Yes. I didn't finish my eyebrow yet because I just realized that I have to finish my face first. So For my face today, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Moving on to the next questions, of course, is from my mom. She asked me what colour that I like. I'm not sure why she asked me that, but oops. The colour that I like is rose gold, I think, something like that. Something which is opposite to me. And the last questions will be from my how can I say, she's my manager. Well, she's the owner of the company that I work with now, and she's so kind, she's so beautiful, she's so lovely, and thank you so much for watching my YouTube. I'm pretty sure that she will watch it now. She asked me in Thai, I will translate it to you, why am I beautiful? I'm not that beautiful, I just, look at me, I just look like, what does it call? A big giant face. I'm not that beautiful, it's just like, you know, do makeup to make it look nice. And some surgery, yes. So, yes. Alright, and for powder, again I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finish Powder. And I'm going to finish my eye, no not my eye, my eyebrow off camera, and I will come back and tell you about these palettes and everything, what I'm thinking about these, and then yes, I'll come back. So, and that is everything about me, including these makeup look right here as well, using these palettes from Makeup Revolution or Revolution. So for me personally, about these palettes, I really like it. It's really affordable. So yes, that is all about testing Revolution palette. Like I said, if you have any product or if you have any video idea that you want me to do or any product that you want me to test, leave the comment down below and I will pick one of your idea and create a video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next video. Bye!